Quackery. Lots of people sold medicines knowing that they didn't work and then moved on. Some had a good reputation because they got people to talk about their medicines and spread rumors. Daffy's Elixir. A potion made with brandy, rhubarb, saffron, parsley, fennel and licorice, which was claimed to cure lots of things. It actually only worked as a laxative, was sold for over 100 years and made the clergyman who invented it a fortune. Patron. A sponsor. If you had a famous sponsor, your product might sell well. Turlington's Balsam of Life. Claimed to cure kidney and bladder stones and was given a royal patent by George II in 1744. Turlington included this on the packaging and it sold very well. Lady Johanna Street John grew herbs and remedies at Littered House. People sent her recipes from London which she collected into a recipe book. She sold lots of remedies to physicians in London. Wonder drugs. Products that came from other places were often sold as new drugs, but not always effective. For example, rhubarb bark and even tobacco were used. Tobacco supposedly warded off the plague. Nicholas Culpeper wrote a book called Complete Herbal in 1653. He categorized herbs and spices by what you could use them for and treated people for free because he was wealthy. Cheyne published an essay on health and long life in 1724 arguing that obesity and anxiety issues were part passed down and lifestyle caused. He argued for living a good lifestyle instead of waiting for symptoms. James Lind. In 1753 he came up with a cure for scurvy in sailors. He prescribed lime juice. It worked. Robert Burton knew of mental health problems and published a study in 1621 recommending exercise, fresh air, music and laughter as a cure. Jane Sharp published the Midwives Book which collected medical knowledge and stories of many midwives. Sir John Floyer, the first to identify the causes of asthma and recommend controlling diet and air quality as treatments in a treatise on asthma in 1698.